Yo, what up, squad? All right, listen, y'all. What happens when an audio brand builds their own AI chip completely from scratch? They test their earbuds against 13 flagship competitors in an independent lab, and they walk away with a whole Guinness Book of World Record for the clearest calls on any true wireless earbuds ever. You get this right here, man. You get the Anker soundcore Liberty 5 Pro as well as the 5 Pro Max. Two models, one chip that changes everything. And one of them, man, they have a feature that is inside the charging case that genuinely made me say, wait a minute, there's no way this product can do this. So I'm gonna break all of this down. Now, the first half of this video, man, we're gonna talk about the Liberty 5 Pro Max and its exclusive features. Then on the second half, we're gonna talk about the Liberty 5 Pro and everything that both of these earbuds share. Now, before we actually get into some features here real quick on the hardware, both earbuds share the same design when it comes to the premium build quality with the refined finish. Now, the Liberty 5 Pro comes in black, white, blue, as well as pink gold, while the Pro Max comes in titanium gold as well as black, which honestly, if you look at them in person, they look so clean, bro. I'm telling you, it's so fire. Now, both have added ear wings for more secure fit, 5 ear tip sizes and 3 ear wing sizes, and it's also IP55 dust proof as well as waterproof rated. Now, when it comes to the cases, this is where I feel like they got to the fork in the road and they split up, all right? Now, the Pro case here has a small touchscreen for basic controls, and the Pro Max has a full 1.7-inch AMOLED display, which I absolutely love, man. Both will also connect to 3 different devices simultaneously with instant auto switching. So there's no ecosystem locking you in that you get with other competing brands, meaning if you guys are running an iPhone as well as a Windows laptop, both earbuds will jump between instantly, and there's no problem with that, all right? Now, the first thing here, before we actually get into some of these individual features here, man, I feel like you guys need to understand what's actually powering all of this, right? At the heart of both of the Liberty 5 Pro as well as the Pro Max is Anker's first ever self-developed AI chip called Thus, and this thing here, man, is genuinely different from what's inside of the earbuds. Now, when it comes to traditional earbuds, they have a CPU and memory that separate data, has to shuttle back and forth, which wastes about 90% of energy just on the data movement. Now, when it comes to the Thus chip, it uses compute and memory architecture where it fuses the processor as well as the memory all together. So all of that energy goes directly into actual computation. And this is allowing for more than 150 times the computing power of the previous gen of the Liberty 4 Pro. And that horsepower, man, directly drives 4 real world breakthroughs. You're getting clearer calls, you're getting smarter ANC, personalized sound, and instant voice control, making either one of these, whichever option you want to go with, 100% worth it on that alone. All right, so let's go ahead and start off with that 5 Pro Max first feature that genuinely surprised me, y'all, and that is the case on the Pro Max, man, because it does something that no other true wireless case has ever done, and it is a full-on AI note taker, y'all. So here's how this works. You can double tap the button on the case, or you can just tap the screen and it will immediately start recording. There's no phone that's needed, there's no app that's needed, no Wi-Fi, just the case sitting right there on your desk, recording the meeting that you guys are in while you're staying fully present. And when it's done, you upload the recording to the soundcore app, and within minutes, man, you get a complete meeting summary. You get speaker identification, so that way you know who said what in the meeting, and a ready-made to-do list with key action items. Now, AI recorders, we all know this exists, right? Claude is a popular one that I've shown here on the channel before, but what separates it, man, is the fact that that one you have to physically carry around a device everywhere. When it comes to the Pro Max, it's built directly into the charging case that you're already gonna have with you. Unlike a phone, which can get interrupted by calls as well as other things, but the Pro Max case here records anything from in-person meetings, one-on-ones, interviews, client calls with 0 network required. Everything is right there built on the device. Now, the second Pro Max feature here, man, that I have to talk about that I feel is also a dope standout feature is that 1.7-inch AMOLED smart screen here that is right there on the case. And I'm gonna be honest with you, man, at first, when I first saw it, bro, I was like, this is kind of like a gimmick until I actually started using it, man. So how it works is you got 2 swipes that can switch ANC modes. You can get instant access to AI translations without having to unlock your phone. You can customize the shortcut layout like I did to be able to put some of the most used settings right there on the home screen. And you can also add on a custom wallpaper to just make it your own, man. And you can literally put anything on it that you want. It sounds like a small thing, I know, but I'm telling you, bro, genuinely, it makes you reach for the case before you actually start reaching for your phone. Now, the specs here also matter because this is a 1.7-inch AMOLED display, which I mentioned, which is also comparable to a premium smartwatch. Now, the Pro Max screen is a nice size that I like. It's sharper as well as it goes further. It's also a good entry point for AI note-taking. Also, AI translation as well as the full ANC control, all without having to touch your phone. And that is one of the features that I really love, man. This one is really the one for those people who are professionals, people who are constantly in meetings, you're traveling or working across multiple locations. It truly turns your earbuds case into a productivity tool and not just a tool for charging your earbuds. All right, so now on to both of these, right? The Liberty 5 Pro as well as the Pro Max and kind of how everything is built around it. And we got to start with the headline feature, and that is the call quality, because I'm not just saying that it's good just because of the sake of this video, but nah, bro, it is really good. I mean, it does hold a whole Guinness Book of World Record. The official record title is highest speech quality score for true wireless earbuds, which was also tested against 13 flagship competitors by an accredited independent lab. So you have the Liberty 5 Pro, which achieved a GMOS score of 3.68, ranking it literally #1. So if you don't believe me, let's actually test it out right now so you can hear what it sounds like for yourself. All right, what up, y'all? So right now, man, I'm actually using the Liberty 5 Pro Max. I literally have a air conditioner that is right behind me. There's also grass cutting that's actually going on. And then there's also a dog barking that is next door. So there are a lot of just outside natural elements, man, that is going on right now. And the audio you guys are hearing is coming straight out of these earbuds. So again, man, you guys let me know down in the comment section below how you guys are feeling about the audio on the Liberty 5 Pro Max. Now, the hardware behind this, y'all, is serious. It's a 10 sensor matrix giving you 8 microphones that capturing every bit of ambient noise combined with 2 bone conduction sensors that pick up skull vibrations to isolate your voice. Now, the Thus AI chip has been trained on a massive amount of real-world voice data, so it genuinely understands and isolates your voice and not just kind of creates this filter that filters out noise. Most competing earbuds, they run on 6 mics with basic algorithms. The difference, y'all, is real world conditions. It's not subtle at all, man. I'm telling you, it is so noticeable. Now, the next feature, man, is that adaptive ANC 4.0. Now, I've tested here on the channel a ton of ANC earbuds, y'all, and here's my take in comparison to this one right here. These with the Liberty 5 Pros, bro, are so good, man. Like really good, like better than my AirPods. And trust me, that's saying a lot because for a long time, bro, the AirPods was, the ANC was goated, all right? So they used a massive amount of data, man, to be able to train this active noise cancellation ANC in order to get it this good. Not just a static filter. It's constantly adapting to whatever new noise that enters your environment. Low frequency traffic hums, mid frequency coffee shop chatter, high frequency office voices. It handles all 3 ranges dynamically. It also is 100% deeper than the previous Liberty 4 Pro flagship, which is also saying a lot because I was impressed by those. But the fact that these surpass those, listen, I'm all for it. Now, the next feature you know we got to talk about, which I know can sometimes be subjective, and that is the sound quality. Because let's be honest, bro, if the earbuds don't sound good, then why are we here, right? So the Liberty 5 Pro, man, this one, it goes beyond the standard of earbuds. The hardware is strong. You're getting 9.2 millimeter flexible wool paper diaphragms for natural mids as well as detailed highs. You're getting LDAC high-res audio codec for near lossless wireless audio, as well as Dolby Atmos with head tracking. And I noticed just right out of the box, just the default sound profile was good and it sounded well balanced in my opinion. But the real star here, man, is that Hear ID 5.0, which is Anker's personalized sound system. This goes way beyond the standard 10-band EQ that you're normally used to. Hear ID, what it does is it personalizes sound that adapts to your hearing and includes Dolby Atmos with head tracking. So after calibration, vocals are clear, instruments separate, and details that you've never noticed before in songs that you've heard hundreds and hundreds of times, they just start emerging out of nowhere. The sound is tuned to how you actually hear. And I'm telling you, man, some of the best music to test this out on is playing some Michael Jackson, man, since the audio on his records was so top notch. If you know, you know. Now, the next feature, man, I can't leave out in this video is the lag-free voice control. And this one is worth explaining properly because the difference from competitors is technical and real. With others, voice control goes like this, right? Your voice hits the earbuds, it gets sent to your phone, it gets routed to the cloud through AI assistants, then it gets processed, and then it comes back. That chain, with all of that going on, man, involves network latency as well as fails completely when it comes to weak signal areas like elevators and subways, hence the reason why, it typically starts dropping out. The Liberty 5 Pro series processes every voice command locally directly on the Thus AI chip that is inside the earbud. So there's no phone needed, there's no internet connection needed, no wake word that's required. The result, y'all, is a 0.91 second response time versus the 2.78 seconds that's on traditional earbuds. That's not just a marginal improvement, man. It is a fundamentally different experience. And you will tell that, man, I'm telling you, as soon as you put these on. Now, there are a variety of built-in commands that's covering things like your playback, volume, calls, ANC modes, translation recordings, and just a whole lot more. All in English, German, Japanese, as well as Chinese. So when your hands are full and you just need to be able to skip a track or switch to transparency mode, you just say it and it happens immediately because of that chip. Now, one of the things we got to talk about is the battery life, because I know this is always a topic, but I feel like when it comes to the battery life, they held up pretty solid. You're getting up to 6.5 hours with ANC on and 28 hours total when it comes with the case. But the real standout is fast charging, y'all. 5 minutes gives you 4 whole hours of playback. Dead earbuds before your whole morning commutes stops being a problem, man. Now, wireless charging is also something that is supported here. It also has a feature that is called Easy Chat. You literally just speak and the earbuds will automatically switch to transparency mode without you having to press anything. AI translation runs in 2 modes. You get real time, where audio playing through your earbuds gets translated live. You get text on screen, voice in your ears, and face to face, where you speak one language and the other person hears it in theirs. However, with the Liberty 5 Pro, because I do want to preference this, that one does require the Soundcore app on your phone to operate this feature. But when it comes to the 5 Pro Max, this has the charging case, which has the built-in microphone and can display the translation directly on the case screen. So there's no app that's needed, and again, there's no phone that's needed. It can cover up to 100+ languages, no switching apps, no removing the earbuds, and none of that, man. And it also has a Find My feature, so if you guys were to lose one of the earbuds, you literally just trigger a tone directly from the case to be able to find them. No app, again, is needed. Everything is built right into these bad boys. So if you guys are interested, man, you want flagship level call quality, industry leading ANC on par with some of the other popular brands that are out there, personalized sound, the lag-free voice control, all at a smart price, then the Liberty 5 Pro, I'm telling you, it is a perfect match. But if you guys want that AI note-taking capability and the smart AMOLED screen for meetings as well as on-the-go productivity, then the Liberty 5 Pro Max, I personally feel, is going to be the solid choice for you. But either way, man, I will have both links to both products down in the description section below for you guys to check out. And also, right now, man, they have a 30-day try before you pay program where you can literally get them for a whole month. And if you guys don't like them, then you can just return them. You pay nothing, zero risk, man. So if you guys are interested, I will have a direct link for you guys to pick them up and try them out for yourself down in the description section below. Also, I got to send a huge shout out to my friends over at Soundcore for sponsoring today's video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad, we out.